Yeah, guys, welcome to the fourth time trying to record. Must not be meant for me to record a video. I'm trying to get some footage for you guys before I go in. And it's the fourth time. They keep cutting off. I don't know what's going on. Weird. So it's probably my storage. I don't know. But I got to check that out. Look at the ice in the pond. So, yeah, just trying to get some footage. And it just keeps shutting off. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, we in Holland. We just came from Zealand, so yeah. But this is the time and the temperature. And these are Clearview Apartments right here. And I want to show you guys the Clearview, the condo that we used to own. It's gonna be to your left over here. It's called Crystal Waters, and that was nice. I just like see how they stacked. They stacked on top of each other. It's like four, like two down. I don't like that. That's where my dad gonna go to for his dental appointment. So they got a little strip mall, a lot of little stores over here, gas stations. Let's see, Meyer gas station is $2.97, so maybe that's what I saw. I thought it said 67. So it's going back up, creeping back up. So yeah, everywhere is $2.97. See mobile. Yeah, it's pretty busy. I don't know how long this clip gonna be. I tried, guys. It kept cutting off. I don't know why. That's all our restaurants. We got Lowe's, TJ Maxx, Applebee's. What is that? IHOP. So this is 31. We got McDonald's over here. This is Holland, Michigan, to get a little overview. So in here we got a lot of little stores too. We got RX Optical, the credit union, the resale store, Repeats, which is like a beer, wine store. We got Big B Coffee. It's the resale store for Habitats. Yep. I went here too. There's a nail shop over there too. But that's a spa and nail shop. But on the other side is a oral surgeon too. I don't know what type of truck this is in front of this car. I'm gonna have to keep starting this video over. It's gonna suck if I do. Burnout. Yeah, my husband unfortunately got a gas line bust. So hopefully he calling around to get some prices. I know it don't cost that much, but yeah. I'm scared to touch the phone. Every time I touch us, that's a veterinary clinic. It cuts off. Sickening. Yep, today gonna be a chill day. My husband gonna cook some chip, cheese, and meat. And we're gonna watch movies, catch up on my shows all weekend. Just relax for the work week. Next week, starting Sunday, I go back. Yep. Just get in my regular routine. And I'm happy to be up and out that bed. God knows I am. Yeah, that took a toll on me. Really did. So I know I did some laundry yesterday. It's colors. I gotta fold those up, put them whites in there. I'm gonna see how tomorrow be. See if we wanna go to that resale store. See if we can find him some jeans. I can find me some for work. We go. I'll be doing a video of that. We're gonna see how the weather is first. Yep. Glad I did all my other stuff yesterday. I just got some phone calls to make, guys. This is our Boys and Girls Club over here. And we got some more little stores. You know, I don't stay too far from here if you guys been watching my videos. So, yeah, guys, just be careful out here. You gotta be careful anyway, whether it's bad weather or not. A lot of people don't take heed. I say seeing is believing. Like now, it's nothing. Nothing's happening. So, thank God I got to see my dad. Right, everybody else is doing what they need to do so they can get home. That's a blessing. Stop at this mailbox, get this whatever mail it is. Probably gonna wait till tomorrow though. I ain't even hungry either. Watch this stuff, got me some sour cream. Oh, that's what I'm finna do. Since I came back early. Some sour cream for my chip, cheese, and meat. And we can do both. So I'm going to Dollar Store. Thank you, Jesus. I'll be thanking. Dollar Store. Chip, cheese, and meat. So let's see how much money I got. Let's see. Make the video a little longer. Want me some good sunflower seeds, but they don't sell them here. I'll go to Dollar Tree. They sell the big wide seeds that I like. Yeah, this thing cleared out. This thing used to be packed on a Friday. This parking lot to the right where this van coming from, because of this Bar Kelly's, it used to be packed. Not today. Yep, go here. Grab this. Some more footage for y'all, see? I've been killing two birds with one stone, thinking about y'all and thinking about my videos. So if I don't talk, you guys know why, because they don't like people recording on certain places. Yeah, that's the Santa Fe. That's the Great Lakes. That's where my coat is. An Eagles nest resale, so I gotta check that out too. I'm gonna see everything away. So they ain't here too bad. It ain't safe. I think I'm gonna need a Gatorade too. Let's see. You guys see the prices at the dollar store? Oh, they about to come now. Oh, they do. It's in my face. $2.75. This is my Gatorade. I love. Then what else I wanted? I don't know if I'm gonna try these other seeds. Dill Pickle Ranch. Are these smaller? Yeah, those jumbo. I think I'm gonna try these.
Checkout. Scan your items now. Do you want to scan a coupon or proceed with another method of payment? Would you like? Please check your basket. If all items are scanned, use the pin pad to complete payment. Thank you for using our service. Checkout. Please take your bags and proceed.
Just horrible. Okay. Okay, holiday trees. Never seen them. I'm gonna get warm. I'm gonna get me some of these. Oh, these shorts. Alright. Say hiring, guys. These are the store hours. Charcoal. Needs a salt. I wonder how much it is. Let's see. Finna see. Give me a second, guys. Got a bag of this salt. Check the price of this. Oh yeah. You can put the change in there. Thank you.
No problem. You have something to say?
Yeah, you too. I'm going in the house. You know it might start any minute. You be careful too. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, it's so heavy. Woo. I'm gonna try to film and do this sauce. I made it a little longer, guys. Where my eggs at? I don't even see the eggs. Here's the salt. I left my eggs there. Yep, I gotta call them. Yep, I left my eggs there. So Make that call when I get home. Woo. Hey, here we go, guys. We finna go home. Got the salt. Salt. Gotta call all these and about the TV. I think that's it. That's it. Yep, ain't no eggs back there. I don't know how. I remember packing them in the bag too. Left the bag. No telling what else was in there with the eggs. Yep. Never forget how far you've come, everything you have gotten through, all the times you pushed, or even when you felt you couldn't, all the mornings you could get out of bed, no matter how hard it was, all the times you wanted to give up, but God gave you strength for the day and made a way, and you saw no way. Thank you. Amen. Yep, gonna call all these. Where's my eggs at? Okay, guys, I made it home. Made it. The wind's still blowing hard. So this is what we got. We got the little playground in the back of our trailer. Like I must say, though, we got blessed, though. There was only one owner, and they kept it up. There's a few, little miscellaneous spots, and then some we have done, especially my husband with that smoking. So I told him, get the house, you can't smoke in there. But yeah, see the little squirrels. The light hanging on, those boards. I want to put them in the trash someday. Hopefully my husband can do that. See all the branches, this little park. This cool when the kids small. Oh, they had a basketball court, but I guess they don't. But yeah, I want all that stuff. But yeah, basically this is what we got. Been here since 2018. I want to get a power wash. Oh. Yeah, because you can see when they cut the grass, all this green. I don't like that. So I want to get a power wash. All that build up. But it's comfortable. No, we can't complain. Because if you complain, who cares? Nobody. So yeah, we're going to take it on in, guys. We made it back safe and sound. Pray that for everybody that's out here. If you ain't got to be, don't come. Hopefully it bypasses, though. And if it is, it don't be as bad as they say. So at least we can still travel. Especially to important places like, put this out on the porch. We gotta make a call to Arby's. I didn't get the eggs, and I don't know what else was in that bag. I don't even know what I did with the receipt. So we see the snow. It's gonna be icy. So I got this bag of ice. See that right there? This ice right there, so we got the ice. I don't even know what to see that. I didn't get my eggs, I know that much. But guys, I'm gonna sign off for now. And I don't know if I go out tomorrow to the resource store, I'll do another video. Other than that, probably catch me one day next week. What the? OMG. That will happen. Alright guys, peace. Take care. Be blessed.